This is our book, Down on the Farm. I'll read one page, you'll read the next.
Okay.
Sun comes up, kid wakes up. Down on the farm, down on the farm.
Rooster shoe, cock-a-doodle-doo! Down on the farm, down on the farm.
Crows peck straw, caw, caw, caw! Down on the farm, down on the farm.
Horses say, neigh, neigh, neigh! Down on the farm, down on the farm.
Cows will chew, moo, moo, moo. Down on the farm, down on the farm.
Time for lunch, crunch, crunch, crunch. Down on the farm, down on the farm.
Ducks come back, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. Down on the farm, down on the farm.
Gooses kerplunk. Honk, honk, honk. Down on the farm, down on the farm.
Turkey squabble, down on the farm, down on the farm.
Oh my god.
Oops.
Next page. Dogs on roof. Down on the farm.
Pig snouts point. Down on the farm, down on the farm.
Goats repeat, bleat, bleat, bleat. Down on the farm, down on the farm.
Sheeps graze far, ba ba ba. Down on the farm,
Down on the farm. Chicks won't sleep, beep, beep, beep. Down on the farm, down on the farm. God,
Cats pow pow. Down on the farm, down on the farm. It's the last one.
Sun goes down. Shh, we're in the library.
Whoops. Bye.